Hello viewers, welcome to my video. Today I'll show you how you can install WordPress on your hosting. So first of all, you have to log in on your cPanel. You will get it from your hosting provider. When you pass it, you will get a message where you will get the access of your cPanel, or you can access it directly from your hosting provider client area or user area. So after login on cPanel, you will find a option called Softcalus application, Softcalus app installer. You have to click on it. So actually here you will find two methods to install WordPress on your hosting. One is automated system, two is manual system. Manual system is like you have to download WordPress and you have to upload it on your file manager, and then you have to install it manually. But with Softcalus you can install it automatically, just giving some information, and it will automatically do everything, and you just you can just install WordPress by one or two clicks. So this is so easy. If you want how to know how you can do it manually, you can comment on my video. I will also show that. So let's move forward. So you have to click on Softcalus app installer. Then you can find here, you can install the WordPress. You can see multiple CMS here. So here we can see WordPress, Joomla, and so on. So let's install WordPress. We have to click on that on WordPress, or you can click on install. Here we have install from or install page. If you have to select your domain, if you have multiple domain on that cPanel or hosting, you can select your domain. So I have only one domain, so I am already selected that domain. You have to select that HTTPS, and then you have to keep blank this field. Then you can select the WordPress version. 6.2.2 is latest version, so I keep it. Then you have to give a site name, you have to give a description of your website. Then here is the important thing. You have to give your WordPress admin panel's username and password. So let me give it. So I set a username and password. Then you have to click. You can select a theme from here. In my case, I will not select it, because you can select or change theme after install the WordPress. So you can skip this part, and you can give a mail here to receive detail of installation and other things. So I will keep it blank. If you going to set up your website, blog, or like anything, you can give a mail here. So after install you will get the all details here. So after set all thing, you just have to click on this install button, click on install button, and here you can see the installation process is done successfully. So let's move on the website. You can see the WordPress is installed, and you can go for admin panel. Here also we get the admin panel. So it's so easy, you can see. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video.